Welcome to this exceptional home by Street of Dreams builder Renaissance Homes. It's situated in a sought-after Westland neighborhood, home to award-winning schools, parks, and with easy access to I-205. Heading inside, you'll discover more than 4,000 square feet of comfortable yet elegant living. Enjoy the warmth of the gas fireplace and the inviting, open-concept floor plan, ready for entertaining. The kitchen features a gas cooktop island with seating, beautiful cherry cabinets, and granite countertops. It opens to the dining nook, where you can head out to the private backyard and expansive decks. You'll find a vaulted office with a bay window and built-in cabinets, and a well-appointed formal dining room with crown molding. On the upper level, relax in the spacious master suite with peaceful views and a charming sitting area. The master bath features a dual sink vanity, tiled shower, deep tub, and a walk-in closet. There's plenty of space with additional large bedrooms and another full bath. This 3-level floor plan is great for activity separation with a large family room and fireplace on the lower level, plus another bedroom and full bath. The covered deck is perfect for year-round entertaining. Or you can connect with nature in the serene backyard, complete with slate rock, decks, and mature landscaping. You'll also enjoy a 3-car garage and abundant storage space. A fantastic home in a great sought-after neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Tom Wilser with Premier Property Group at 503-422-6321. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.